Hello and welcome to how to make a garden line marker. The marker is used in the garden when planting out to keep plants in a straight line. The first step is to cut a broomstick into 6 parts. Cut 2 parts roughly 40 cm long and 4 parts roughly 10 cm long. Now, lightly sandpaper the ends to remove any splinters. The second step is to take the 2 long pieces and plane one end of each of them to a point. Finally, sandpaper them down to make them smooth. Step 3. Take a 6mm thick piece of plywood and then cut 2 discs from it, approximately 15 cm diameter each. Mark the centre of each disc. Take a flat wood drill bit which is the same size or just slightly bigger than the diameter of the broomstick. Drill down until you've just taken the top off the first surface. Turn the plywood over and then drill through the whole piece. It's important to have a piece of wood underneath, else the drill bit will start to wander as the centre hole gets bigger. Check the broomstick slides easily through the hole. If it doesn't, then sandpaper a little bit away. Now use a jigsaw to cut the disc from the teeth. You can use a power tool or a handheld tool for this. Step 4. Assemble the 2 discs and the 4 short pieces of broomstick to make a rotating drum. First, mark 2 lines at right angles to each other on the disc. Now mark drilling points at half the diameter of the broomstick. drill 4 holes and countersink them with a countersink bit. Clamp 2 short pieces of broomstick and 1 long piece into your workbench with the long piece in the centre protruding slightly. Now place one of the discs over the broomsticks with 2 of the drill holes over the short pieces, then drill down into them ready for screws. Screw the 2 short pieces of broomstick onto the disc using stainless steel screws. Slide the assembly over the large piece of broomstick and then drill 2 holes and screw the other 2 small pieces into place. Repeat the drilling and screws on the other side. Check that the disc assembly rotates freely on the central broomstick. If it doesn't, then sand a little bit away. Step 5. Fit 2 nails on the centre shaft to stop the drum assembly sliding up and down. Firstly, cut the heads off the nails. Then smooth down the rough edges with the file. Now take a drill bit that's slightly smaller in diameter than the nail. Drill a test hole in a scrap piece of wood to check that the nail fits tightly. Now drill a hole just below the top of the centre of the shaft. Hammer in the nail, it should be a tight fit. Slide the drum onto the shaft and now mark a point below the drum where the second nail will be drilled. Fit the drum and then hammer in the second nail. The drum should now be free to rotate on the shaft. Fit a small screw on one of the centre pillars. This will be used to attach the string later. Now fit another screw on the top of the centre shaft. Fit another screw to the top of the second boom shaft. Step 6. Wax or varnish all the parts. Step 7. Wind the string onto the central drum. Tie the loose end of the string onto the second broomstick. The garden marker can be used any time you need a straight line when planting plants or cutting a border, for example the edge of a lawn. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.